Hey everyone, this is Dr. Bukhari. So in this video, I will teach you how you can choose, select, or create the title of your research paper. You see, title is the head. Title is the face of your research paper. If you choose a good title, a relevant title, a compelling title, that would attract more people to read your paper. That would make your paper more visible. That would help you to be more cited in the other paper, in other journals or in other articles. So how we can choose the best title? Here are some tips. Number one, I would highly suggest that to be a specific, to be a relevant, the techniques that you have mentioned. If you are working on the computer science, if you are developing a new algorithm, mention that what new algorithms that you are developing on something using a k-mean, using the whatever technique similar. If you are in biology, you can surely mention using that crystallization techniques. That would help the reader to see that whether it's relating to some method, is it a descriptive type, is it a review type paper? And if it is a review type paper, usually you see that most of the review type paper they mentioned is a review type paper. If the paper relating to the method, they type there some method in their heading over there. Commentary type paper, they say it's a commentary type paper. So mention something which could give a hint to the people. And it should, second point is, which are basically supporting the first point, do not mislead. If you are misleading to the people, making your title spicy or having which have no direct relation to your research, that would not create a good impression. Research, it's a serious job, and it's not the say like a funny video like where you are making the caption just to attract the people. We definitely want more people to read the papers and more research to be cited, but at the same time we should be careful to choose the title which are to the words which are not misleading. Third point is the avoiding the abbreviation. If the abbreviation are really, you can say, no commonplace in your domain, you can use that. I highly encourage to my students, and I have my practice as well, I do not use abbreviation in the title. The fourth point is that if you are using a kind of nomenclature, if you are using some kind of the overall terminologies, use the terminologies which are known terminologies. The unknown terminology, hazy, fuzzy technology, nomenclatures, where the people, they have some conflict. Some people believe, some people are not, which are some buzzword which are just popping up. Sometimes those buzzwords work and people like to put over there. Buzzwords are really good for a story, for the article. If you are writing, again, it's been depend on which type of research article you are writing. So just watch my video about the types of research article. Maybe if your article fall in that type of article where you could use the buzzword, use the buzzword. But in a serious type of research articles where you are writing, use the nomenclature which are already recommended by your overall the domain experts. Now, the another point is that do not make your abstract the titles too long. Usually it has the length is 10 to 15 words, right? To just keep it 10 to 15 words. Usually, on the journals and the Congress, they have mentioned some length over there. And when you type online, you see that you are not going further. They usually put that 100 letters, or that's roughly 10 to 12 words. So keep that 10 to 12 words. And sometimes, the question. Another point is that some people like to make a question type. Would this work? Would this not? Or working on this technique would help to this thing. I really do not recommend that going with that kind of exclamation mark or the question mark. What I do that, I first choose the keywords which are generic relating to the domain. Second, third keyword, I will try to that what my method, what the techniques my have, but use that specifically techniques like the technical word. Then third, I will go with some kind of result optimization, improving, utilizing the NLP, the BERT model to optimize this. So, and that way, the third and the sixth to seventh letters, the words which I write that would explain the application area. And with that, I have